This exercise is super easy. Look, you have to just look at this fatha sign, okay, and consider it as a. Okay, it will make always the a sound. For example, this is ayn, so ayn and plus a, it will make a. Okay, so call it a. When you see this kasra, it will always make the e sound at the end, like that's a. So a plus e is I. I. Okay, I. Okay, whenever we see the dhamma sign, okay, this one, pesh or dhamma sign, you just have to put o there. That's the easiest way to understand. O, okay, whatever the letter is, you just have to add o with it. Okay, so let's try another word. For example, ha. Okay, ha, h plus a, because of this fatha. Okay, ha. Now the kasra, hi, make the e sound, h plus e, hi. And whenever you see the dhamma sign, just make it as a, consider as a o. So hu. That is super easy. You can pick up any letter or any word you can read. Okay, use the same method. Make the a, e and o. Ra, ri, ru. Okay, same. Kha, khi, khu. Okay, I hope you get it.